Arimũ ya maugĩte wĩra ũrĩa makoretwo makĩruta nĩ wĩra ta ũrĩa arimũ arĩa mandĩkĩtwo gĩa biũ makoretwo makĩruta na marenda o mandĩkwo na kũrĩhwo wega, makiuga 17,000 iria makoretwo makĩamũkĩra nĩ mbeca nyinyi kũringana na wĩra ũrĩa makoretwo makĩruta.
Eric Simel Call, JSS Secretary, Narok County. We as the JSS teachers and the entire Kuppet Union, we are calling the government to act in good faith and confirm these JSS teachers. Our JSS teachers in our school are doing the same work as the already confirmed teachers.
Kulipa mwalimu 17,000 in 21st century is a disgrace to this profession. Hao walimu wameenda university, wamesomea their degree holders na wanalipwa 17,000. Hiyo tumekataa. Punda amechoka.
Sera Kuru ũrĩa nĩ mũigi kĩgĩna wa kĩama gĩa Kuppet County-inĩ ya Narok akiuga namba ya arimũ aya ĩrĩ thĩ, kuona thukuru nyingĩ ciana arimũ nĩ erĩ na mwarimũ ũmwe arakorwo na ciana makĩria ma 200 na nĩkĩo marenda arimũ aya mandĩkwo othe.
As it stands now, we have like 2 or 3 teachers in every JSS school. The subjects are not only 2. We need specialists in every subject area to be sent to those JSS schools so that learning can be meaningful. Right now you find that a CRE teacher is teaching mathematics in JSS. A mathematics teacher is teaching PE. So we want the government to address the issue of JSS by employing all the 44,000 teachers as they plan again to employ the others next year, because we know the ratio right now in JSS secondary schools, one teacher is teaching about 200 students. So we want that ratio to come down. It can only come down when the 44,000 interns are confirmed.
Benalin Chebaibai ũrĩa ũrũgamĩrĩire maũndũ ma ũiganania kĩama-inĩ gĩa Kuppet Narok augĩte arimũ aya mbeca iria marona iracoka ikarengwo nginya arimũ aya mĩtũrĩre yao ĩgakorwo ĩrĩ mĩritũ mũno.
The stipend they receive is still subjected to some deduction. They are not able to meet everyday need. They live in worry. Their future is uncertain. We are saying the government, justice to that degree. These teachers went to universities just like lawyers. Why are we not having the police interns? When it comes to teachers, we have teachers interns. We are saying justice to the teachers of Narok County and of the entire Kenya.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Narok, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanyũike wa Mbũgua.